Welcome to SC Custom Designs, where we are continuing with the super cool, awesome coffee table that we're making. Please follow the series every step of the way. We go over like how to dovetail, how to mortise and tenon the pieces and doing whatever you got to do. How to doing it nice and slow for you guys on the big TVs. Make panels. How to make these tapered legs, for example. So we go over all of that. Now I need to do a very basic and simple thing. I need to take this piece and adhere it to this piece here. So secure it. The Kreg system does that very well, exceptionally well actually. You can basically use these screws to attach that wood and not even use glue. Okay? It is amazing, and I'm going to prove that to you. All right, so we got the system out, and what you need to figure out is, well, what is the thickness of your wood? Most wood is going to be about 3/4 inch long. And so here's how as simple as it gets. You get this fancy drill bit here, okay, which is smaller down here and larger here, okay? So essentially, you're going to take the bit, hopefully I can back up a little bit here, you set it down here, and as you can see, it's set down to 3/4 inch. And what I mean by that is look at the fatter part of the bit. That's at 3/4 inch. All right, that being said, you're going to tighten this hex with this, and you're all ready to go. Now they give you two long drivers. I already have the shorter of the driver into the drill, all right? And I have a a screw that is more of a coarse thread. All right, for practicing, I'm just going to go ahead and use the coarse screw. We're going to use the finer screws because this is oak after all. All right, let me mount you into the camera. Let's see, what else? Let's go over some other things now that I'm close. So this is the unit I'm going to use, okay? We won't need any of this. We won't need that. We're going to use this guy. What makes him stellar is he is portable. So I can basically just set him down right here, clamp the wood in this piece into place, and we'll show you how to do that. And away you go. So this is one of the clamps that Kreg makes. They make several clamps. There's another one here for those really way in type pieces of stock. All right. And they make another one that actually fits inside of the cavity here, and it's kind of pointy, and you can then put that in there, and the other piece goes under here, and bam. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. It's really, really simple to use, and that's what I love about the Kreg system. If you don't have equipment to set up, why am I having a problem setting this in here? I usually don't. There we go. All right. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit here. And then magically not stand in the way. Oh, sorry guys on the big TVs. Okay. So here's our board, one board to the other. Okay. We're going to put them right there. We're going to use these two clamps to clamp the stock in place. Okay, feeling good about that. We're going to set this down here. Then we're going to use this clamp. Try not to get in the way here. And just clamp it. Just like so. All right, this is as easy as it gets, my friends. All right, let's set that down. I don't want to drop that. Now I'm going to take this drill here. Now notice that we have the clutch system here. You want to bring that down so that you hear it. Actually, I have it set on this one so that you can hear it starting to click. Oh, went the wrong way. There we go. That way you're not going to overdrive your screw. So it may take some practice to figure out what is the perfect setting for you. All right, so we'll set that here. Now we're going to go ahead and drill this out. Okay, just a little wimpy drill I got going on here. You're going to want to drill down and then lift it up and let the pieces of wood escape. Now notice the magic here. It stops right here at the collar, at that ring. Beautiful. We're almost there. Now we just remove the clamp. Get the screw of choice, which is this 1-inch screw here. Set it down in here like so. Okay. Be prepared to be amazed. Clamp 1, clamp 2. Okay. It is pretty darn strong there. Now I can go stronger. I did that on purpose to give you an idea. Okay. That let's go a little bit stronger here. You can also go by feeling. After a while, when you're doing this, you'll get used to it. All right, there we go. I could feel it eat into that wood. All right, he isn't moving. You can see that. Isn't moving at all. And the beauty is, it didn't go through the other side. That was the key. I need to be able to know that, and that's just one screw, my friend. One. Imagine if I put 3. This wood isn't going anywhere. And again, I didn't use any glue. So, okay, so SC Custom Designs is not sponsored by Kreg. Yep, SC Custom Designs. We're just using their product. So now I can go ahead and, with a level of confidence, go ahead and start screwing in this piece of wood here to this piece of wood here. All right, thanks for watching SC Custom Designs. Please let us know what you think. Leave your comments. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video, and hit the bell if you want to subscribe, and you'll be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. God bless. Shalom. Shalom.